we have to find the measure of the exterior angle shown. This is our exterior angle, and we will use the exterior angle theorem, which tells us that measure of exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So we can write equation that 3a plus 12 degrees is equal to sum of these two interior angles. So we have 18 degrees plus 8 degrees. Now let's forget about degrees. We have one equation with one unknown, so we solve this equation for a. So we have 3a plus 12 is equal 18 plus a. So I will move a to the left side, so we have 3a minus a is equal 18 minus, I will move 12 to the right side, so we have minus 12. 3a minus a is 2a is equal 6. Now I will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that a is equal 3. We found unknown a. Now we can calculate our exterior angle. So we have, let's copy this expression. We have 3a plus 12 degrees is equal, in parentheses, now we will have 3. We will substitute a by 3, so we have 3 times 3 plus 12 degrees. Degrees, of course. So we have 3 times 3 is 9 plus 12. So this is equal 21, of course, degrees. So we found measure of our exterior angle. This is my solution.